रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर रही हैं आवाज आ
Hello
रही
and
है।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Maru Sharifali from Rehan School Online Academy Teachers Training Program. So today I have a new topic of TEDx Talk: How to Fix a Broken School by Lead Fallacy Love Heart by Linda Kelt Women. So let's get started the reviews about this topic. So the leadership principle and must own the school. What happens and what doesn't depends on them. If you are going to lead, leadership means active involvement, not delegating or hiding in office. So leading is not always popular. You might make hard choices that make you dislike, but prioritizing it is the core. So principal can't do it alone. Effective information and transformation requires assembling a strong, committed leadership team. Even a small problem matters: challenging lockers, lighting, broken desks, daily cleaning, these matters. So physical environment shape culture. Locked doors, broken furniture, poor lighting send a message that school doesn't matter. You must comfort reality. If the school is not a school, call it what it is. Don't sugarcoat. So instead of making excuses, poverty, absent parents, special need, violence, so what? Now what? And focus on solution. So low attendance, violence, poverty, these are the challenges, but they don't have defined outcomes. So provide professional development for teachers. Many know what to teach, what not, how to teach for students with vastly different needs. So reallocate a student or reallocate school sources budget staff to maximize support more teacher support staff counseling varied classes. So pre-structure daily schedule to include remediation, honor courses, extra circulars, counseling, not just standard classes. Develop a clear deployment plan for staff and support personnel. Know who, where, when. So create and enforce a school-wide discipline behavior system, not negotiables, consistent and expectation first behavior and expect. So discipline, care together, rules and consequences, but within a frame of respect, love, and accountability. The track measuring and progress, attendance, test score, behavior, data driving change, fosters accountability and celebrates small wins. They build momentum and hope, improve maths, literature, and scores. So traditional one-size-fits-all teaching fails many with diverse student need flexible tailored instruction. Use small group instruction to meet individual student when they better for engaging and this engagement understanding growth. A school should not just exit it, it must truly function as a learning community, offers knowledge, skill, safety, clear. So, a student is not just academic. Many students bring social, emotional, economic issues. Student must respond holistically. So, create a structure for emotional and social support counseling, open dialogue, listening to student voice, and addressing their real life concerns. So, offer hope, believe in every student potential, even student from poverty or trauma deserve chance to dream big. So recognize that may students don't just need instruction, they need human connection, caring relationships and mentorships. Consistent expectations, core values like focus, integrity, perseverance, and define school culture and identity. Use every moment, every lunchroom time as opportunity to connect with students, understand them, build trust. If nobody told you they love you today, and remember, I do, I always, I will show unconditional love and believe in students' potential. So, school, especially those in poor, deserve areas, they must be real schools, safe, supportive, resourceful, empowering for students who feel like so. Traditional one size fit all teachings fail many deserve students' needs. So leader make it possible, bold vision, action, heart can transform even persistently dangerous school. Accept that takes time, but daily consistent effort, small or large, adds up. And reject fatalism, poverty, violence, neglect. These are real but not reason to give up. So encourage accountability for teachers, staff, administrative students, and everyone must play a role. Empower education, give them tools, training, support to meet high but realistic expectations, and focus on possibilities, not limitations. Believe in human potential can be as powerful as any resource. So every problem has an opportunity for growth, broken desk, new furniture, broken trust, care, and respect, broken hearts, hope. So doing what's hard, even when it's unpopular or messy, matters more than being liked. And leadership must be value driving, tradition, excellence, integrity, perseverance, and declare live. So reinforced and change require whole school commitment from top management to support staff to students. Educators who know students' background and poverty, trauma, and insecurity are better positioned to support their growth, empathy, and matters. So, school is impoverished areas deserve the same dignity, resource, respect as an other. Education inequality is moral issue. And quality education can be pathway out of poverty, not just academically, but socially, emotionally for life. And leaders serving underprivileged communities must hold themselves accountable, not rely on external excuse. Education is not just for some kids. It is right, especially for those society undervalues or neglects. By believing in children's potential, leader can break cycles of despair, fear, low expectations, and transformation begins with human, not just budget or policies, but with people willing to care, to act, to believe, and the long-term change, culture change, trust building, community building is more important than quick fixes. A school should be like community, teachers, staff, students, support people all working together towards a shared vision. And leadership might empower everyone, not just top up dictation, create a sense of ownership among all staff. Open communication with student town hall meeting help build trust, clear misunderstanding increases engagement and recognizing the humanity of students. Their struggle, background, hope is essential for real educational impact. And discipline, when it's structure, love, and support are not only together, they create stability, safety, and respect. So, for many students, school is the only consistent, stable environment. Making school safe, supportive, and positive can transform life. When students feel seen, heard, loved, they begin to believe in themselves, in their worth, in their potential. A caring, real school can break cycles of violence or poverty, given hope and alternative. So, real change in a broken school doesn't come overnight. It requires daily, consistent dedication. Repeating core values daily over PA announcement in class culture helps ingrain identity, expectation, and purpose. So, any educator, not just principal, can adopt these principal commitment and carrying high expectation, adaptability, empathy. Teacher is more than delivering content; it's mentoring, hurting, and nurturing changing life, building human potential. So, community and social condition, poverty, violence, neglect after schools, transforming a school help, but wider social change also needed. And real change demand long-term commitment. It may take years to see full transformation. Steps matter. Celebrate progress. Even a small improvement should be acknowledged, built upon, and remind yourself daily of core values: integrity, perseverance, and love, respect as guiding lights. So, recognize that education is a powerful lever for social changing and equity. Teaching is more than a job. And hold yourself and others accountable. Don't miss, accept, excuse, demand actions, and care. Engage community, maybe parents, local community, help build support network beyond school wall. Recognize that transformation might require culture shift beyond academic behavior and mindset values. So remind everyone daily of purpose, why we teach, why we care, that fuels motivation. And believe in incremental progress, even steps, no matter how small counts. Be adaptable. What work in one context might need modification, and listening, learn, and adjust. So finally, never lose faith that a broken school can be healed with leadership, love, courage, and commitments. So, the review of this TEDx talk is many of these points resonate with the real changes you may face in school and resource limitations, diverse student background, and varied learning needs, emphasizing empathy and strong leading the leadership, even if you are not a principal, relationship building, flexible teaching strategies can help you impact the students positively even under constraints. The approach encourages seeing beyond academic outcome, addressing social, emotional, and psychological needs. So, creating an environment where learning thrives. This mindset helps shift from just teach content to educate humans, empowering, inspiring, support students to become their best selves. So teacher, principal, so it becomes a ready to creating an environment. So it can be very useful for you as a part of our understanding. So this is the review of the static talk. I hope you guys enjoy this static talk, and how to fix a broken school is the very main topic for this static talk by Claire Women. So I hope you guys enjoy this TEDx talk reviews. We will meet with the new reviews with the new topic. Until take care, Allah Hafiz.